Hi guys, welcome back to Dish So Sweet. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my chocolate toast bread recipe. This recipe is quite simple, easy and quite chocolatey if you can imagine. If you are a fan of chocolates, you most definitely will love this chocolate toast bread. So let's get right into the recipe. My toaster is already nice and hot, so I'm going to place my bread slices on there. And next I'm going to be spreading my chocolates. Right here you can decide what quantity of chocolate you want in your toast bread. You can decide to have less, you can decide to have way more than this. And now I'm going to top it off with the second slice. And we cover for it to get nicely toasted. Our chocolate toast must be done by now. They are done. Our chocolate toast breads are done. You can drizzle some more chocolate on it if you like. So that is all for today, guys. If you haven't already, go subscribe to our YouTube channel down below and also follow us on all our social media platforms at Dish So Sweet. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.